Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you some 5 free survival games on Steam. So let's get started. The first one is Zera Survival on Steam. It is action-focused open-world survivor shooter. PvPvE against fellow mercenaries and lethal exoids, raid for resources alone or with teammates. So it is a very fun game to play. Now on second, we have Dely Stillness. Dely Stillness is a zombie survival game. It is a very fun game and it is not officially released yet. Now on third, we have Will to Live Online. It is a story that is set in wastelands of the post-apocalyptic world. Player has to explore the large open world full of dangerous places, radiation, mutants, and armed survivors. On fourth, we have Retail Royale on Steam, a chaotic battle royale inside a furniture store where everything is weapon. It is a very free to play multiplayer battle royale game where you can fight for survival in a furniture store. Now, on fifth, we have Unturned. Unturned is a sandbox game in the emerging multiplayer apocalypse survival genre. Rather than focusing on being an MMO, it provides player with easy systems. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.